Hey everyone, you have parenting questions, and I mostly have parenting answers and then funny jokes and puns and things like that. And so what I'm going to do is answer your questions. Now, the questions are real questions, and if you have a question, you can just text me. It's 402-256-0768. It's right below there, my text number, and that's the easiest and best way to get a question to me. So we're going to answer questions that you have. Another sleep question. My 8.5-month-old used to sleep through the night, but for the past 6 weeks has been waking up to breastfeed 1 to 2 times per night. Is this considered a regression? I mean, it could be a regression. Used to sleep through the night, now wakes up. It's probably just a growth spurt or teething or something like that. There's no problem with what you're doing, which is breastfeeding 1 to 2 times per night. What I would do is just make sure that when you put the baby down, you put the baby down awake. She falls asleep on her own. If she wakes through the night, you can either just comfort her, say there, you can just ignore, or you can go in and feed and put down. And I would try and put down awake again each time that you feed overnight. But kids go through these growth spurts. That's totally normal and expected. And so they do have times where they wake up. It could be a tooth or something like that. Again, we talk about that in my Mighty Sleepers course, mightysleepers.com. And if you find that, we're waking up more frequently or having trouble going down, or it's 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. and all of a sudden this previously good sleeper is waking up, it might just be that they're getting a tooth or something like that. Those are all things that you can work through. But the fact that they used to sleep through the night and then is waking up more now for the past 6 weeks is probably just kind of a growth spurt. Normal, nothing to worry about. Keep feeding if you like, not a big deal. Thanks for watching. I create lots of content. I love connecting with my audience over video and audio. So if you want to catch all the videos that I put out, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss another episode. Hit the thumbs up button, share with a friend, and if you have a question that you'd like me to cover, you can just text me. It's 402-256-0768. And if you'd like to watch another video, there you go. Keep up the good work and have a good day.